Hey there, space explorers. Our planet is just one tiny part of a giant spinning group of planets and stars called our solar system. Imagine a giant playground with a bright shining star in the middle. That star is the sun, and it's the most important part of our solar system. Everything else, including our planet Earth, revolves around it. The sun's gravity is so strong that it keeps all the planets in our solar system spinning in orbit, just like a ball on a string that you swing around. Get ready for a wild ride as we blast off to learn about the incredible planets in our solar system. Buckle up, because space is a wild place to be. So, how big is our solar system? It's bigger than you can possibly imagine. It takes light, the fastest thing in the universe, about 5.5 hours to travel from the sun to the edge of our solar system. Our solar system is home to 8 amazing planets, and each one is unique. First, we have the inner rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are made up mostly of rock and metal, and they're much smaller than the gas giants. Mercury is the smallest planet and zips around the sun super fast. Venus is the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury, because of its thick atmosphere. Next up, we have the outer planets, which are much larger and made mostly of gas: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, so big that you could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. Saturn has those amazing rings made of ice and rock. Lastly, Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun and is known for its beautiful blue color. Let's imagine we're going on a trip through our solar system. We'll need a planetary passport to keep track of all the amazing things we learn. Each planet has its own special features that make it different from all the others. First stop, Mercury. This little planet is a real scorcher, with temperatures reaching over 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. But did you know that Mercury also has ice on its surface? The ice is hidden in deep craters at the poles, where the sun never shines. Next, we'll visit Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is covered in thick clouds that trap heat, making it even hotter than Mercury. These clouds also reflect sunlight, which is why Venus shines so brightly in the night sky. Our third stop is our home planet, Earth. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that we know of that has life. It's also the only planet with liquid water on its surface, which is essential for all life as we know it. Our last stop in the inner solar system is Mars, the red planet. Mars is known for its rusty red color, which comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. Now let's journey to the outer solar system, where the gas giants reign supreme. Our first stop is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a giant ball of gas with a swirling storm that's been raging for centuries. This storm, known as the Great Red Spot, is so big that you could fit 3 Earths inside it. Next up is Saturn, the ringed planet. Saturn's rings are made up of billions of tiny particles of ice and rock, and they stretch out over 175,000 miles from the planet. Our penultimate stop is Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus is tilted on its axis at an angle of 98 degrees, which means that it rotates on its side. Last but not least, we arrive at Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. Neptune is a cold and windy planet with supersonic winds that can reach over 1,200 miles per hour. Studying planets is like solving a giant jigsaw puzzle. It helps us understand how our own planet formed and evolved. By learning about other planets, we can learn more about the history of our solar system and the potential for life beyond Earth. As we journey back to Earth from our incredible adventure through the solar system, we're reminded of just how much there is to learn about the universe around us. So, keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the vast expanse of space? Maybe one day, you'll be the one to make the next big breakthrough in space exploration.